So here are a couple of cool other features in the app that I wanted to go over. Let's start with a different project. We've been working on Ryan's summer house, but I want to work on a project where I actually have a few different photographs and a few different angles that we can work on. So let's go into the layout. I'm going to hit this button at the bottom left with an up arrow. It's a square with an up arrow. And you can see that I have an overview image. I took that with a drone, but it could be taken with Google Earth too. And then I have a couple of actually face-on images. So let's go over how I can utilize that to show some more detail. So I'm going to click on the drone image. And notice that I already have a layout. I've got 3 pathway lights around the front, 2 spotlights. I'm going to delete this transformer. It's important to note how I'm doing that. I'm just holding my finger down on the icon, and then I can move my finger over to the trash can. So I've got a transformer in the back and 3 well lights. So that's great. But what if I wanted to show it at a different angle, maybe for my installers or maybe to help the homeowner understand what we were trying to do? So as you can see, I have these different angles. So I'm going to click on a picture that I took of the front of the house, and now I can see a different angle. I'm personally not a big fan of this, but sometimes it can be helpful to see different angles. Now, you might be asking, okay, why are the symbols sort of blurred out? If you look at the symbol here, you'll see a nice bright white dot. You go over here, you don't see those bright white dots or bright white areas. And that's because what I did was I went to each symbol, put my finger on it, and I hit it. In this case, I'm actually unhiding it. So I'm going to go into the settings section and actually show you what's happening. I'm going to click Show Total Price. I go back to Layout. And if you'll notice, as I'm hiding these images, the price on the top right will go up. Technically, I'm unhiding the images. So as I'm unhiding the symbols, the price is going up. So the reason we have this hide button is so that we can show symbols from different angles without double charging the client. Because every symbol that we bring into the image is automatically added into the proposal section. So if we hide it, then it's not automatically added into the proposal section. Okay? So this is a cool Radian. In order to get to it, again, all you do is you take your finger, you hold it down on the symbol, and now we're in our Radian. One of these days, it'd be nice if we could utilize this to drag and drop accessories or drag and drop fixtures into, drag and drop lamps into each fixture. That'd be awesome. We're a little ways away from that. But we have that cool Radian that does have a lot of possibilities and opportunities. So I did the exact same thing with the backyard. You saw the original image where there were 3 well lights around the oak tree and the transformer. I simply wanted to show a different angle on that. So the transformer is going here. It's hiding in that little outdoor kitchen. And then my well lights are around that oak tree. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. That's a cool feature. The Radian is a cool feature. So that's just something else you can do with our app.